Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what are QR codes. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers and viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What are QR codes? A QR code is a type of barcode that can be read easily by a digital device in which stores information as series of pixels in a square-shaped grid. QR codes are frequently used to track information about products in a supply chain, and because many smartphones have built-in QR readers, they are often used in marketing and advertising campaigns. Most more recently, they have played a key role in helping to trace coronavirus exposure and slow the spread of the virus. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what our QR codes is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new with my channel. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.